This is a video guide showing you how to install the IA-Connect Orchestrator on your local machine, and it is also available as a PDF in our Orchestrator Installation guide that you get with the IA-Connect package. The prerequisites for this video are that you should have a Microsoft Azure subscription and a valid Microsoft account with rights to install an Azure web app and add an Azure AD into that subscription. If you don't have any of those, please look at the installation guide in section 1.4 to see how to set those up. To start the installation of the Orchestrator, find the .exe file in your zip package and double-click to start the process. In this initial screen, you can automatically check your Azure account connection to pick up the Azure subscription you're going to use for the Orchestrator. When you click the Get Available Tenant button, you will be asked to log in with a Microsoft account, as you can see here, and that will automatically populate the subscription box. In my case, I only have one subscription, so I don't have to choose, but in case you have multiple subscriptions available, you can choose the right one for you. The tenant ID can stay blank. Then you click Next. This is the screen where you select what type of installation you are performing. If this is your first time, leave the selection as it is. For the other options, check the installation guide for more information. This selection will help auto-populate some of the fields in the following steps. We go Next. Here we choose the name of our orchestrator. This name must be unique across all Azure websites in the world, so you must pick a name that nobody else is using. Change the name that is also populated and press the check button to make sure that it is a unique name. Once the check is complete, click Next to move on to the next step. In the Azure tab, the resource group name is automatically populated based on the web app name you just chose, but you can change it if you need to. The service plan name hasn't got an impact on the orchestrator, so leave that one as well. The plan tier controls the CPU and RAM the orchestrator is assigned. It is based on the amount of worker you will need. Look in the installation guide for more info in section 2.6. For now, leave Basic 1 as your choice, and you can change this later in your Azure portal if you need more performance. This page we can leave as it is with the autofill from the installation process. We go Next. Here in the Connectivity tab, we have different options to connect Orchestrator to workers. As standard setting, we recommend to select all the boxes as it doesn't have any extra cost and it allows multiple connection. If you know which specific connection you want to use and you don't want to enable the others, then feel free to set this up as needed for your business. We press Next. In the last tab, you need to create your credentials to enter the Orchestrator. The email doesn't have to be an existing Microsoft email or any email that already exists. It can be created on the spot, same as the password. The password must contain at least 8 characters with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 symbol, and 1 number. Just remember to note them down as they are the login details you will need to connect to your Orchestrator the first time. After that, you can create different profiles with other emails once you're in the Orchestrator already. Press Install to finish the process. The installation can take a few minutes to complete. After it's done, the installer automatically launches the Orchestrator web app. In the final part of this video, we will cover how to log in the Orchestrator for the first time and create an API key that you will need to connect your automation platforms. This is what the Orchestrator web app looks like the first time. You go on Login and insert the credential you created during the installation process. Once you're in, go into the Settings menu and select Site Settings, where you can finally create the API key that you need here on the right side of the page. The number you see represents how long the API key will be. You can leave it as it is unless you have specific requirements. You then click Generate once and again to confirm. Over here, I would recommend to note down the generated key and keep it secure to have it ready when needed. Close the window and remember to click Save on the settings page at the bottom to confirm what you have just done.